Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign in for your Rumble account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to sign in for your Rumble account, first of all, go ahead and open up the browser of a Rumble account in Google. Here in my area, the Rumble account is not available, so I have to go access its browser from Google. So go ahead and tap on Rumble and then search. Now if you click on here, that is the first option of Rumble, you will get access to its browser. So then go ahead and tap on sign in, which is just beside sign up. We are signing in because we have already created its account. If you haven't, then go ahead and watch out our next video in order to sign up for Rumble account. So here we are signing in for Rumble account. So go ahead and tap on your credentials. It says if you have a Rumble account, please enter your credentials. So the credentials it has asked is your username and password. So go ahead and tap on your username and password in two different boxes which you created your account with. So first of all, go ahead and tap on your username. After you're done tapping on your username, go ahead and tap on your password. So guys, always remember what you can do is if you have forgotten your password, then you can even select the option of forgot your password in order to sign in. Then it will guide you in a procedure and then you can sign in. So there's that option. For now, we have our username and password. Now after you're done tapping on your credentials, go ahead and tap on sign in. That's it guys, you have already been logged into your Rumble account. So it says save password. It asks if you want to save password on Google Manager or not. I've tapped on save password in case if I forgot it in near future. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.